wake up with no one around. Just silence is my favorite sound. No one to please, no one to chase. Just me and peace in my own space.
Markanto sotsidat keita majirto Amas nantaya a Codkan Jezelahay Tidan raka majirto Tidan rally geliu majiru Nanigayo Beginanjo buskega kaliya. I love being alone in my quiet little zone. No broken hearts, no fake. Just clear stars in my skies. One kaliya. Bubyoro de gano anliyay. Kalbiyo jaban majiran. Makasala mo bina majiran kaliya. Chitigoy faya o samadega. They ask me, don't you feel sad? But being alone ain't really that bad. I dance with shadows, talk to the moon, and sleep without a crowded room. Where diyan mamurugay sa laking kaleni maru lunahan di mahuma. Wakan la chiaros ka, wakan la hede ajeka. Wakan sigdani gunti kalehilajifin. I'd be alone and I'd follow hino thosh. Opo kihochen seidu. Just be stars and make stars. Ikan diro haliado. Dayu vitamiro. Kalani de harago kihani de fakele kariupo sone. Maybe one day love will find me, but until then our let must be free. No waiting calls, no jealous cries, just open air and honest skies. Malahamalin takaraki Jacayl bahili tuna. Laking ilamay kasulbana he. Wichitano la sugo majero. Kundo masira majero. Kaliya hada fulni akirkada kaita. Yes, I love being alone, where my true self is fully shown. No pretending, no disguise, just me, my soul, and quiet skies. Haron tiwala jekslahe, kaligayahan siya mission after ito. Sibuk na umukado, benun hangs toy shiga dunduhan hobis kalma jiro halilaan ka lafta tida, yokega usnayo.